There was a pleasing teak tree in the forest, which was high and strong. There was a tiny natural herb next to the tree. The teak tree claimed, "I am beautiful and strong. No one can beat me." Hearing this, the herb responded, "Dear friend, way too much pride is dangerous, as even the strongest certainly fall one day." The teak tree overlooked the herb's words and continued praising himself. One day, a strong wind blew. The teak tree stood firmly. Even when it rained, the teak tree stood firm by spreading its fallen leaves. During these times, the herb bowed low. The teak tree teased the natural herb. One day again, there was a storm in the forest. The herb bowed low, but as usual, the teak tree stood straight and didn't bow down. This storm kept on growing stronger. The teak tree might no longer bear stronger storms and felt his strength giving away. He tried his best to stand up straight. However, when it went out of his strength, the teak tree ended up falling. When everything was calm once again, the natural herb stood straight again. But when the herb looked around it, it saw that the strong tree had fallen down. So the moral of the story is, pride comes before a fall.